Hey everyone, welcome back to the Doba YouTube channel. November is here, and that means one thing for dropshippers. With Christmas just around the corner, alongside Black Friday, the time to stock up on high-demand products is now. People are already hunting for winter essentials, holiday gifts, and irresistible year-end deals. In today's video, we're diving into the top items to dropship this November. Plus, I'll be sharing some fantastic free tools. So, if you're ready to take advantage of this season's opportunities, don't forget to hit that like and subscribe button and turn on notifications so you never miss out on the latest dropshipping strategies. Let's get started. Let's dive into our first must-have product for November. Magnetic screen door curtain. As the seasons change and we transition into the cooler months, homeowners are spending more time indoors. They're on the lookout for ways to enhance comfort while maintaining good ventilation. The demand for home improvement products like this is skyrocketing. In fact, home improvement market size was valued at USD 365 billion in 2023 and is set to cross USD 797.8 billion by the end of 2036, registering more than 6.2% CAGR during the forecast period. In the year 2024, the industry size of home improvement is assessed at USD 387.6 billion. As families seek convenience and comfort, the appeal of products like the magnetic screen door curtain only grows stronger. You can acquire the magnetic screen door curtain for just $34.14 and sell it at a suggested retail price of $89.99. This translates to a profit margin of approximately 62.6% per unit sold. That's a fantastic opportunity to significantly enhance your profits. With its ability to tackle common household problems while promoting eco-friendly ventilation, this product is a no-brainer for dropshippers looking to boost their sales. If you're looking for a product that's visually captivating, seasonally relevant, and already buzzing on social media, the Jellyfish Lava Lamp is a must-have for your November dropshipping lineup. According to the National Retail Federation, 43% of holiday shoppers begin their shopping before November, with 70% planning to take advantage of October sales for gifts and decor. With the holidays fast approaching, it's an ideal time to stock up on unique items like this that people buy for themselves or as gifts for others. The Jellyfish Lava Lamp is already trending on TikTok, with one unboxing video alone racking up 270.8K views and a whopping 38.4K likes. Clearly, this product has some serious traction. Consumers are drawn to its mesmerizing, color-changing display, which instantly transforms any room into a calming space. Plus, it's priced $23.67 on Doba, with a MSRP of $47.21, giving you a fantastic 50% profit margin. Let's not forget about its viral potential. Let's dive into one of the hottest items for this month, baby bathtub toys. As outdoor playtime decreases, parents are on the lookout for safe and entertaining ways to keep their little ones engaged at home. Bathtub toys not only make bath time fun, but also turn it into a playful learning experience. You can find these adorable baby bathtub toys on Doba for just $10.95, and they can be sold for around $18.02. That gives you a solid profit margin of 65%. Now let's talk about the buzz on social media. A quick look at TikTok shows that videos featuring baby bathtub toys are racking up thousands of likes and views. In summary, baby bathtub toys are an ideal product to dropship this November. Alright, let's talk about the fourth product. 5-tier metal plant stand. As people spend more time indoors, they're looking for ways to care for their houseplants, making this item one of the best items to dropship in November. According to Future Data Stats, the global gardening market size was valued at USD 144.23 billion in 2023 and is projected to expand at a compound annual growth rate, CAGR, of 6.0% during the forecast period, reaching a value of USD 197.50 billion by 2030. That's why products like plant stands are increasingly popular as more people embrace plant care, gardening, and home decor featuring greenery. You can find this stunning 5-tier metal plant stand on Doba for $114.95, and it has a potential selling price of $229.32. That's a hefty profit margin of about 100%. If we look at social media, particularly TikTok, we see an explosion of content around indoor gardening. People are sharing their plant setups and looking for creative ways to display their collections. This creates a golden opportunity for you. By marketing this plant stand effectively, you can tap into that engagement and drive sales. Ready to explore our next pick for November 2024? Let's take a closer look at the fun and versatile 3D cartoon magnetic stickers. With vibrant, eye-catching designs, these magnetic stickers are perfect for adding a fun and colorful touch to any metal surface. If you check Amazon, Etsy, or eBay, you'll find that 3D cartoon magnetic stickers often appear on the bestseller lists in categories like home accessories and gift ideas. Many listings have average ratings of 4 stars or higher. This highlights not only high demand, but also customer satisfaction with the product. What's even better? You can snag these for just $13.63 each on Doba and sell them for $19.41, allowing for a healthy profit margin of around 42%. And since they're lightweight and easy to ship, you're not just saving on costs. You're also giving your customers quick delivery. So it's a low-risk investment with great potential for returns. Go ahead and start dropshipping these today. All right, at number 6 we have a dog bouncy ball. A new report from Bloomberg Intelligence shows that the pet industry is set to expand dramatically, soaring from $320 billion today to nearly $500 billion by 2030. And according to Grandview Research, the global pet toys market was valued at $88 billion in 2023 and is projected to grow at a CAGR of 9.6% from 2024 to 2030. As fall settles in, dogs require more indoor entertainment, prompting pet owners to seek innovative ways to keep their furry friends engaged and happy while they're cooped up indoors. Enter the dog bouncy ball. With its vibrant random colors, LED flashing lights, and unique hedgehog design, this toy captures pets' attention and keeps them active. Its bouncy nature encourages exercise, which is essential for dogs' health, especially as we transition into the colder months when outdoor playtime can be limited. As we move into November, one must-have item on your dropshipping list is the guitar holder wall mount. Why? As the weather cools down, folks are spending more time indoors, and organizing their spaces becomes a priority. According to market data, the global musical instrument market was valued at $14.20 billion in 2022, and it's expected to grow at a 7.4% CAGR from 2023 to 2030. As more people take up playing instruments, whether as a hobby or professionally, accessories like guitar wall mounts are becoming increasingly popular. The guitar holder wall mount is designed to hold various types of guitars: electric, acoustic, and bass. It features durable ash wood, ensuring a secure hold while adding a sophisticated decorative touch to any room. Plus, it's simple to install, making it a great choice for both beginners and experienced musicians. You can find the Tesliar guitar holder wall mount for $24.32, with a suggested retail price of $33.50, giving you a solid 27% profit margin. With its blend of functionality, quality, and design, this product offers dropshippers a fantastic opportunity to tap into the growing music accessory market just in time for the holiday shopping rush. Now, before we wrap things up, let's talk about how to simplify your dropshipping process. Doba makes it easy to connect with top suppliers, manage inventory, and sync your store with platforms like Shopify, eBay, and Amazon. This saves you time and helps you focus on growing your business instead of dealing with supplier headaches. And the best part? Doba offers a 14-day free trial, no strings attached. You can dive into their extensive supplier network, automate your orders, and see how Doba can boost your sales just in time for the holiday rush. Just drop a comment below with "Your Dropshipping Simplified," and we'll send you the link to get started. Don't wait. Your next big success could be just one click away. And that wraps up our list of the best items to dropship this November. And with Doba's access to top products and reliable suppliers, you'll be set to maximize those year-end sales. If you found today's video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and make sure to hit that subscribe button for more insider tips and tricks on growing your dropshipping business. Happy dropshipping!